Hi all, I'm Sid, and Samsung Galaxy S7 and Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge have started to receive their Android Nougat update, which is feature-packed. But apart from bettering these existing phones, ideally, most of these features should also be present on Samsung Galaxy S8's software. So, for those of you who are keen to know what all these new updates pack, I decided to make this video where I tell you top 7 features of Android 7.0 in Samsung Galaxy S7. So let's first start with the cosmetics. And the first thing you notice when you see these new updates is that everything seems refreshed.
May it be the app icons, which are now rounded and also give you an option to choose whether to have borders or not, or may it be the UI, which now feels more streamlined with lesser number of apps present and including nifty additions like the search bar for apps. Moreover, the way you receive calls and dial numbers feels visually different too now.
Sticking to the aesthetics again, the notification shade has changed a lot.
Instead of the blue-green quick setting toggles, they are now all painted in white. Even the notifications. You now have multiple pages which you can swipe through and can also customize their grid size too now. Moreover, the layout of the settings itself has changed and it now also features suggestions. Oh, and remember the briefing screen on the left side of the home screen on a Samsung phone? Well, it too has been replaced now with Update, which is similar in function but it's not the same.
Number 3 on my list is the display. Now, Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge have one of the best looking displays in the town. Quad HD Super AMOLED screens, while beautiful, can also be a bit power hungry. So, now you can control the resolutions with one tap.
By default, the resolution is set to Full HD, but in case you need a bit more pixels, set it to 2K. And in case you want to save a bit more battery, you can always set it to HD. It is a pretty innovative feature to have, and it also makes me realize how less a role do screen resolution play in our real world performance. But that's not all. Taking a leaf from Apple's new iOS 10, you can also get a blue light filter which apparently makes reading in the night a bit more pleasurable. And there are changes to the display even when it's off, because it is still always on. Well, now you can get a plenty of always on display layouts to choose from, including my favorite one where you can put your pic on the screen too. Cool!
Next up is a small but nifty change.
The Smart Manager has been revamped as the device maintenance and it is now found in your settings. It grades your phone out of 100 and helps you tweak the battery, performance, storage, RAM and security of your phone. With one tap, you can fix them all at once. But now let's talk about the battery.
Battery is like beer. The more you get it, the less it is. So Samsung has put battery life on full priority with this Nougat update.
The battery manager now has 2 modes with medium and maximum power saving. You can customize in them both the maximum screen brightness, the screen resolution, internet access to the background apps, CPU speed limit and much more. And you also have the old trustworthy ultra power saving mode, which takes the color out of your smartphone and makes it last really long. But that is still not all. The software also now informs you about apps that are draining more power in the background so that you can put them all to sleep. And the coolest thing is that you can do the same right from the home screen itself.
And if you give a damn about the battery and would like to use the Samsung Galaxy S7 as the beast it is,
here's the performance mode. It ditches conservation in lieu of acceleration. And it too has different modes to choose from, depending on your needs. There's a normal mode for regular stuff, a game mode for gaming, entertainment mode for multimedia enthusiasts, which for geeks turns on the video enhancer and UHD upscaler. And then there is the high performance mode. The first 2 by default are set to Full HD and the last 2 are set to Quad. It's a neat feature to have, at least for power users. Lastly, we have a couple of new features to talk about, starting with the Samsung Cloud. Apart from the 5GB storage you get from Google Drive and 100GB of free OneDrive cloud storage, Samsung too will now give you 15 gigs of cloud storage with its Samsung Cloud. But unlike the others, apart from backing up your gallery, it can also preserve your calls, messages, contacts and even memos. And talking about the Nougat features itself, it has made Samsung's multi-window mode a bit more efficient as more apps now support it. Yet, not all of them do.
And those were the top features about Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge's Nougat update. If your phone hasn't received it yet automatically, try doing a manual refresh. It would soon be there. But do let me know in the comment box below which is your favorite feature of all these in the comment box below, and Do not forget to share this video with your friends and liking this video. But most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can come back and see more of me. I'm Sid. See you soon. Ciao.